Abantu bala eSouth Africa bangenwe yini kahle kahle, bangenwe yini? Bafowethu kanti nina nidoma okungakanani kanti mangabe ningazukwazi ukuthi nibone into mayabe isibheda? Mangabe into isibheda, why ningakwazi ukuthi niyibone? Ngiyezwa lapho bafowethu, nina bafowethu nisasebenzisa le ngqondo yenu yobuhlanga ukuthi mina ngumhlobo bani, mina ngumhlobo bani. Bafowethu, abantu abamnyama behlulekile ukusiphatha. Noma ningazama ngendlela enizama ngayo, mhlawumbe okanye nizama ukuthi mhlawumbe mangabe nibhizi loko nikhuluma ngabo, nikhuluma through ukuthi umuntu mhlawumbe naye ufuna ukuthi athole isikhundla la. Bafowethu, abantu abamnyama sivumeni ukuthi ngempela behlulekile abantu abamnyama. Bafowethu, yekelani ukukhohlisana nodwa, yekelani uku-influence abantu ngezinto ezibhedayo. Abantu njengamanje bathi bathatha isinqumo sokuthi bafuna ukuvotela lo mlungu lo. Bafowethu, bayekeleni labo bantu bavuke, because abantu abamnyama behluleki. Bafowethu, i-crime too much bafowethu. Noma ulele endlini manje awukho safe, uyabo, but lo muntu omnyama uloku ephethe. And laba bantu futhi enithi niloko nibhizi lamaphathi, eniloko nithi hayi siyovotela le phathi, behlulwe yini laba bantu ukuthi baphathe? Behlulwe yini ukuthi bakwazi ukucontrol ilizwe bese kula? Because bonke laba bantu enithi niyabavotela basuka kule ANC, uyabo. Njengamanje bafethu, abantu bathatha isinqumo kakhulukazi Eastern Cape, yabo, iphakamile ithe hayi no, thina sihamba nale bhunu leli nalomlungu lo. Maye nina seniloko nithi hey niyakhumbula ukuthi abelungu basenzana, abelungu. Abantu abamnyama bayasihlukumeza manje. Bayasihlukumeza abantu abamnyama, siyahlukumezeka manje, but asiboni still, uyabo. Mina ethi bekuya ngami bengithi bafethu asike sichangeeni to abelungu. Obaba bethu babesebenza bafethu, uyabo. Obaba bethu banemizi, obaba bethu bakwazi ukuthi basikhulise, obaba bethu bakwazi ukuthi bathenge izindlu, babe nezindlu eMagoli, babe nezindlu kuphi, yabo. But thina njengamanje, thina kule generation yethu le kunzima, ngisho ukuthi uthola indlu ye-RDP, uyabo. But nina niloko nibhizi, niyabaza amabhunu ukuthi enzani yini eyenziwe ngumuntu omnyama manje. Wena okhulumayo influence abantu othi no, abelungu bazosihlukumeza. Umuntu omnyama njengamanje uphethe, but usihlukumeza. Bheka izingane zenu bafethu, zidla ama-drugs, zisemakhoneni, akusena youth, akusena abantu bayabulawa bafethu because nina senivotela bona laba bantu laba babungozi. Phela abantu ethi basiphethe nenezitsho ukuthi mhlambe bangenza, behluleka, babe kule party le ANC, behluleka ukuthi basiphathe. But manje mabephuma kule ANC bavulela amaqembu wabo, nitsho ukuthi laba bantu bazoshintsha. Bafethu, yekelani laba bantu abathi bafuna ukuvotela lo bamvotele. Mina ngiyabasupporta, mina ngiyamsupporta umuntu othi ngcono ngivotela ibhunu, because at least ibhunu beli strict, ibhunu belimake sure ukuthi akuna crime, bengenabafana abahlala emakhoneni bedla ama-drugs. Belimake sure ibhunu ukuthi mangabe libona abantu behlele ekhoneni liyanithatha nilifaka evenini kanje niyobo. Bafethu, angeke ilizwe lishintshe as long nisaphethe umuntu omnyama. Ngiyezwa nithi hayi no, thina sizohamba siyovotela amaphathi niloko nibhizi ngabo EFF. EFF uMalema uphuma kwe-ANC, uZuma ku-MK uphuma kwe-ANC. Baningi abantu bafethu behluleka laba bantu. Yekelani abelungu manje, isikhathi. Baye abantu base-Eastern Cape baphakamile bathi bafuna ukuvotela. I think nakwezinye futhi ikhaya amanye ama-province nabo bathi bafuna ukuvotela lo mlungu. Mnyekeleni lo mlungu bafethu, mgani i-chance. Hayi bafethu, ninga-influence abantu, ningazi nge-bad influence, uyabo. La bantu baphatha, umuntu aphatha amathema awu-2, but still akunamyakazo. Manje siyahlukumezeka, asikwazi even ukulala ezindlini zethu. Uyalala uvuswa ngesibhamu, uyabo, because sivotela bani ababulali, sivotela zona iy'nkabi. No bafethu, asingayenzi lento, asingayenzi. Phela ipolitiki bafethu siyayazi, uyabo. Noma ngathiwa mhlawumbe asithanda ukuthi siyingene kakhulu, but siyayi-understanda le game edlalwayo. Yekelana abelungu baphathe. Hawu,
yazi yangihlekisa into eshow abanye abantu la kuma-comments about ukuthi babona ukuthi kumbi uma sophathwa uDr Groenewald we-Freedom Front Plus. Cha, ake thina njeke nkosi yami esingaboni lutho, esihluphekile, esingenzelwa ngalutho, esinengane ezingasebenzi, esinengane ezibulawa ama-drugs, esinengane ezihleli ama-degrees emakhaya zingasebenzi, esi-affectwa i-crime, esibona uhulumeni wethu engenzi lutho, nosopolitiki bethu abamnyama bengenzi lutho ngokugcwala kwabantu bokufika eSouth Africa. thina sibona yonke into ibhidlika, amabhunu athatha anikeza abantu abamnyama, amadolobha nama-township, yonke into ifunctiona, ama-townships, amagaga agcwala yonke indawo, ama-potholes, akusona ama-potholes, sekuwamawa. Cha, thina asiyiboni nje inkinga masiphethwe yibhunu. Hawu, futhi nalo lizosiphatha ngazo nje ama-60s. Futhi alizosiphatha lodwa. Sina uJudge Mkhwengkhweng, khona uNhlanhla Mkhwanazi, ojenele bamasosha, bakhona abanye abantu abaningi, base-KZN, base-Eastern Cape, base-Limpopo, base-Mpumalanga, base-Northern Cape, Free State. Kunabantu in all 9 provinces, kunabantu aba-capable to lead this country. Abangekho kulama political parties lawa abulala izwe lethu. Theleka amabhanoyila aphuma le ko-Palestine. Manganibuza nje umuzo abantu abamnyama, how many terrorist groups akhona eSouth Africa? Mangaki ningathini ngelanga sivuthwa siyaphonjwa? Hey, Dr. Groenewald is the answer in this mess, but not him alone, with Mkhwengkhweng and others. Thank you.
Our fellow South Africans, are we raising our voice enough to say enough is enough about this rubbish party of the ANC? Let us not be afraid to give this man a chance to run this country, because we are the weakness of poverty in South Africa. We are the weakness of unemployment in this country because of the ANC. Why we are afraid to give this white man a chance? Apartheid will never come back. As we say that we are enough, are we willing to move forward as the country? We are the weakness of this rubbish part of the ANC. When we send the message out there, they are unaliving us. We are targeted in our own country, which is South Africa is becoming Zimbabwe. When Zimbabweans, when they send a message out there, they've been unalived. So the character of Zimbabweans in Zimbabwe country is here in South Africa. When we try to speak up, they are unaliving us. As Ramaphosa has spoken like this, media should not influence people about the ANC. They must always say the good things about the ANC. While we are living in poverty, these people, they do not care about us. Let us give Peter Groenewald a chance as South Africa.
Dr. Piet Groenewald for president. Yep, that's the call from the African majority in South Africa. Vanakkam, namaskaram, namaste, salam, sabona, and salutations. The African people of South Africa are crying out for the Minister of Correctional Services and the leader of the Freedom Front Plus, Dr. Peter Groenewald, to be the next president of South Africa. We are tired of African leaders. We want a white man to lead us. That, like I said, is the cry from the African majority here in South Africa. Firstly, it underscores the pain that the majority population are feeling, suffering, and that they are desperate for a better life. It further underscores how the ANC, the African National Congress, and every other African party has failed its people. To call on a white man to lead. But let me say this, and this is no slight on Dr. Groenewald, because he's doing a great job. Dr. Groenewald is not performing miracles at the correctional services. He is merely doing his job well. He's committed to his job, applying himself well. He has the knowledge and the capability to execute his duties. The thing is that the bar for ministers has been set so low by the previous ministers over the past 30 years that Dr. Groenewald's achievements seem to be miraculous, godsend, because clearly our people have not seen such efficiency, such work, such things happening like it's happening within the correctional services. Things are happening there. He's making it happen. Cadre deployment saw unfit bodies hold top positions in government and all but destroy the departments that they were in charge of. Yes, Dr. Groenewald will make a great president, but there are other Dr. Groenewalds out there. Having the knowledge, the capacity, the skill set, the passion. It's just that the system did not allow for them to come to the front of the class. And many such people, might I add, exist within the Indian community. Noting well that the first ever democratic parliament, 1994, had a large number of Indians there who helped to draft the constitution, who helped to draft policy. They were there at the very beginning. In fact, they were there before that, helping to build. But Dr. Groenewald may never be president because the political system in this country is designed such that the president of the winning party becomes the president. We don't directly choose a president. So the majority of citizens of this country, if you seek a better future for your children, it's time to change your voting style before it's too late. And also let me say this. The writing was on the wall 15, 18 years ago. Those of us who criticized the government of the day, we were called racist. I was one of them. Called a racist for criticizing the government of the day for what they were doing or not doing. You guys continued to vote on race lines. You had to vote for an African person. Nobody else was good enough. So, in our opinion, you have to take accountability for the mess we are in. The Indian community has a lot to offer, a lot of good leaders to offer this province of KZN and indeed the country. But the power lies in the vote of the majority African population, and that is a fact.
South Africans have had enough. They really have had enough of all the lies, all the deceits, all the corruption, all the stealing, all the mismanagement and misgovernment of the ANC. And it's time that we make a change, because it seems like South Africans are finally starting to wake up. They are finally starting to wake up to realize what needs to be done to make this country better, because we deserve better. South Africans deserve better. We are a great country and we deserve better trade, better housing, just all-round betterness. And I've seen multiple posts all over social media pointing to that man up there, Pieter Groenewald. Big support for Pieter Groenewald to become the new president of South Africa. And this man, whether you're black, whether you're white, whether you're Indian, whether you're colored, he is not one that will look at favoring one or the other. He favors South Africa as a nation. He doesn't favor a race. He doesn't favor a religion. He doesn't favor a tribe or a culture. He favors South African people. And he's getting a lot of support, specifically from black people that I've seen, black individuals that are posting that it's time to wake up and stop believing the ANC and all their lies. They've told the majority of the black people for years and years, 35 odd years since they've been in power, that the white people are this, the white people are that, the white people are this, and they've lied to try and propaganda against the white people and make them think that the white people are only in for themselves. No, not this man, not Pieter Groenewald. He is here for South African people, not for anything else, but to look for this country to get better. And maybe we all should get together and look for a positive change. It's not about your skin color. It's about us as a nation. It's about us as a people wanting to have better lives, better jobs, better futures for our kids, better education, better healthcare, all of it. And this man will do it because he doesn't take any shit. He doesn't take anything from anybody. He will make sure that things that need to be put right will be put right. And we need to look at this very, very seriously. If he runs for president, I'm voting for him. And I hope you all will be doing the same, because South Africa needs to be great again. I'm sounding like Donald Trump. But yeah, it's the truth. South Africa needs to be great again. And the only way we can do that is to have a strong, firm leader that believes in the people and its country. So yeah, let's vote for him. If you agree with me, hit the comments and hit that plus button if you don't already follow Vanson Daily News Network. Thanks.
Dr. Groenewald, sir, please lead us. Please lead us. We don't have any leaders here. We have a bunch of greedy people who are pretending to be fighting for each and every South African who's dealing with poverty and crime, etc. I just hope that you are the man that we see you as, Yabon, because you do stand your ground. You've shown yourself in your department in correctional services. I was just watching a video of Ulukuzan, of Patrice Motsepe. He was mentioning the fact that it's very hard for leaders in South Africa to turn away foreigners. And he made it clear that they have mining companies in those countries, in these foreign countries. Meaning, they protect them and things are happening the way they are because they're protecting their own interest and their own pockets, basically. They don't care about the country. They don't care about the well-being of every citizenship of South Africa. No. They only care about the money and their own interest. Yeah, boy. And then you'll have people saying, oh, but you'll be nivotela abantu abamhlophe amabhunu this way, that way. Guys, we are not in the apartheid era. We are not our ancestors. I keep saying this. Yeah, boy. And we can't keep voting for parties based on izinto ezazenzeka ngezikhathi zoSarafina obani asekho lapho lezo sikhathi kade sadlula bafethu. Isinkwa lapho sasawo 3 rand o 2 rand. Isinkwa manje yazisumalini so 20 rand or 19 rand manje. So uyalibo ushintsho selube khona over the years. So alimeni kancane bafethu ojuju bakhuluma indaba zokuthi manje ama foreigners awanikezwe citizenship. Bafethu, these are the same people abaletha ama drugs, belethe ilokuzana prostitution, benza ama brothels la endlini zabantu nasemaflatini, bahijack ama flats kuningi bafethu. Yabo, nami I know ukuthi siphuma kuphi nabantu abamhlophe. But in order for us to make a change, South Africa ebuyele back to what it was before leadership yabantu abamnyama. Mina, I would rather deal with a devil I know than a devil I do not know. Leyo ukuthi silethe yonke Africa la South Africa. Kumanje vela sinamsebenzi, asinayo imisebenzi. Imisebenzi inikezwa abantu bokuhamba because bona they can be manipulated. Bafika bevele be undocumented. Yabona. So ofika uyathathwa thina nje sibekwe one side ngoba sinamalungelo sinama rights nayo yonke into esiprotectayo. Yabo. Then nina nisazohamba ngalomqondo weinhlanga wara. Yabona nje thina bafethu, mina ngizale ngo92. Yabo. So ngeke ngithi ubandlululo ngiyalazi. So that's why nje angina kwandaba nokuthi kwakwenzakala ngobandlululo. To be quite frank, yabo, umuntu nje oyi2K akufana nje lebele ixaka ngoba mama uzokuphika nalo yonto le shuthi kusasa nina aninalo. Imost yethu nama 2K yabo izele. Yabo. Izosimayizele la izale ingane ehuqa inyawope, ehuqa o crystal meth, obani. Hayi ngeke batabam. Le hayi ayisebenzi because ngangikade sikhuluma lento kuma live ukuthi eSouth Africa ayisayidingi political leadership, ayisayidingi inhlobo. La bekuzolunga uGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi, but it doesn't look like into ezokwenzeka leyo. Then kwafika uMr Crownful, yena ke at least yena uyindoda uyambona ukuthi umuntu okwaziyo ukuthatha isinqumo ahlale kusona and futhi enze sure ukuthi uyasifeza. Yabo. Hayi abantu bethu abasazocabangela ama interest abo. Simbonile uRamaphosa la esinikeza load shading sitshela ukuthi ngempela sineyinkinga. Kanti cha, uyawuprivatize ugesi. Ezweni ekuyilona eproducer nayo coal sina sayiproduce coal. Kodwa we are suffering, besufferisha from load shedding for years. Only to find out ukuthi uyabenefita. kuyona le shading, yet there are still people who still want to vote for abantu aba-selfish and aba-greedy njengalaba o-ankole. Labantu babovu banama-passports nga-3, banama-citizenship all over the place, and then people yazi la bazolidampa lelizwe leli, and then basuke besisha ama-private jets behambe nemndeni yabo beye kwamanye amazwe angcono. Thina sobe sibhizi la sihlupheka sizobuswa ama-Arab, ama-Nigerian. Bafethu anikahleni sasingqondo nifake ingxeni. Mina nje ngiyakunqamela nje nkosami ukuthi sivele sibuyele kubantu abamhlophe, because ukuthi uzoxhashaza umuntu onjengawe ufana ngabe uyarelate kuwena nosizi lethu. Hayi.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Kunebantu bala South Africa labathi bafuna ukuvotela lo mlungu lona bakhathele, bantu labamnyama bayasixhaphaza, corruption, bugebengu, yonke into nje into abantu abamnyama. So they are saying for a change they want a white president, ubafuna lo babelona. But kunebantu labayigcekako leyo nkulumo leyo bathi asibonanga yini ngokuthi kuyendakalani nge-apartheid namuhla abantu abamnyama ngisengibofuza abafuna kuvotela mlungu. Do comment your thoughts down on the comment section. Do you think ukuthi i-right land ukuthi abantu abamnyama bavotele mlungu oqha mhlampe into lebatotisola ngayo ngalenye langa? Comment your thoughts down on the comment section. Subscribe, share this video. I will see you on the next one. I'm signing out. So goodbye.